Hello and welcome to my channel where I speak about custom-made diamond jewelry for consumers like you so that you get bestest of the price and quality. My name is Hemant Thakur, right now in the biggest wholesale market of diamonds in America, which is in New York. And in today's shipment, I'm going to talk about a beautiful lab-grown emerald cut diamond ring that I'm going to ship to someone in Atlanta. So before I move further, I would like you to guess that, do you know which country manufactures 9 out of 10 diamonds in the world? I give you 3 seconds to think about. It can be either Belgium, India or America. And the answer is India. India produces 9 out of 10 diamonds in the world, which is where I am based. And my team selects these diamonds right from the wholesale manufacturers of India so that you get bestest of the price and quality. This ring, which is a 2-carat emerald cut diamond, lab grown diamond certified by a reputed laboratory like IGI, is of H color, VS1 grade, excellent polysymmetry, non-fluorescent. Why we selected this diamond? When you do a diamond selection process, it is very much essential that, especially when you select an emerald cut diamond, it is very much important to know what is there beyond what is mentioned in the report. I would say, reports only cover 50% of the information of the diamond. The rest 50% information is what an expert like us will actually inspect and find out whether the diamond is suitable or not, whether it has the right sparkle, whether it has the right impurities or the color in the diamond. We actually check the color under the right lighting condition, inspected the diamond impurities with the help of right tools under the right lighting condition, and then offer it to the customer. Of the budget and requirement that the customer gave us, we actually try to do a good balance between quality and size. Of this, we selected this particular diamond. To give you a better idea about an emerald cut diamond of 2 carat, the length that we selected over here is of 9 millimeter and 6 millimeter as a width of it. The table percentage is 60% and the depth is around 66%. If I were to talk in common terms, it means the diamond is very well cut. It is not too deep, not too shallow. That way it is giving the optimum sparkle it can offer. Once the diamond was selected, we actually started discussing about the diamond ring design. This is a beautiful 4-prong white gold ring where you have the tapering effect on top of it. It is not a completely dome rounded effect, but it is actually a knife edge tapering effect on top of it. And you can see the prongs are set like a claw setting. So a lot of customization we offer to the customer where you can select how the shank will look like, whether it is rounded or knife edged, how the prongs will look like, whether they are rounded or claw set and stuff like that. All this while the customer was sitting in their home comfort and an expert was working on the customer's requirement. Isn't that amazing? Where you save great amount of money and get a design that is absolutely made for you. So once all this was discussed, we started creating this piece in New York City and now are going to securely ship it at their location. So if this is something that interests you, then you can reach out to me. I will be very happy to offer vital information about the diamond. With a small fee of $30, we initiate the inquiry and offer all the information which you should be knowing before you buy or make a piece of jewelry. Thank you.